Okay, now these are some really neat coins. I found these in the first bunch of rolls before I get into the box of the 95 pennies. This is 72S. Okay, and it's red-brown. So 72S red-brown, okay, at the MS65 in the 2013 book would be 75 cents. But still, it's a nice, very nice S. Okay, so I'm going to come over here, which this is a 70S. Now, something I could show you in the digital microscope, and you may be able to see it here. There's two different kinds. There's a large date and a small date. Okay, and people get confused about this. All right, it's, the large date has a low 7, and that 7 there is lower than the bottom of the 0. That's the key way of telling if it's a high or low 7. So the low 7 in the book, we're at what is that? That's a 1970S. 1970S with a low 7 is about 50 cents compared to its high 7, which is $40 or $55 on the MS65. All right, so and then the final one that I found on that is a very nice 1956 red brown. All right, that's typically a very distinct color for that year time frame. So we're looking at somewhere around $1 for this penny, and the back is very, very nice. The only flaw that I see is a little chip down here on the bottom. So it's really good. I'm going to show you something. What I did this time is I held all the 1982 pennies. All right, so all these are 82s, and they are the large date. There's a bunch of them. I'm only going to show you some, but it goes up right here. What is that? That's an 82 also, and that's an 82 also. So we got a bunch of them here. Notice how close the 2 is to the frame of the penny, to the rim. Okay, now I'm going to show you a small date. Look how far away. Compare the two together. How close it is and how far away it is. And that's in the 82. Now your difference in the 2013 book, your large date at MS65 is 35 cents and your small date is 50 cents. So granted they're small in amount of, they're very little in amount of value, but consider the 2000 wide AM penny that was only, I think it was $1 back in 2010, is now sitting up around $40. So just something to consider on that. Alright, one last thing I want to point out. Alright, moving these out. This is a 2012. Yeah, this is what they call environmental damage. Look at the back of this. What the heck happened there? If that happened in the mint, that would be so much money right now. But it's not. That's called environmental damage. So if you ever see something that you get and you want to send it off to be graded, it's going to be kind of a waste of money because they'll just put environmental damage on there. So now it's time to get into the big box of 95 rolls that I got off of eBay. So hope you liked the video. Share it with a friend. Bye.